Say a bad word. Good morning, boys. Who you got there?
Who is that? Are you smiling? You got your mom's camera sense.
Cheese.
Cheese. Cheese. Huh?
Who's laying in bed with you? Who's this? Who is that? Is that your baby brother? Gus Gus. Are you tickling him?
Giving him business, Gus. He's drinking
Let
milk,
his arm
so he's gonna
move.
be big.
Gotta let his arm move. There you go. Gus Gus. There's his nose. Hey. Let's keep our fingers out of his nose. That's nice.
Chin.
That's very nice. Yeah, you love Gus Gus, huh?